Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about why you should be focusing on high ticket affiliate marketing products and why you should not waste your time with low ticket. Hey, and welcome back. My name is Nate, and if you're looking to make a passive income online or other topics related to making money online, you can start by subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also hitting the bell notification so that you'll be notified every single time I drop a new video. Okay, so today is all about high ticket. Why? Because the reason why I like high ticket is because you can put in less effort, less time, and make a lot more money. So let me kind of break it down as an example, okay? So the reason why I like high ticket is that you can sell one item at $1,000 instead of 1,000 items at $1. So which one would you rather do? Would you focus the same amount of energy on one item for 1,000, or would you rather focus more energy on trying to sell 1,000 products at $1? So this is the difference between high ticket. This is the and low ticket. So just because the price of the high ticket is a lot more doesn't mean that the person will not buy. And let me break this down to you, and I'll show you and I'll explain why that is. So when it comes to high ticket, okay, there's three things that you have to know about high ticket. Number one, it has a strong back end, and you attract quality. Now, what does quality mean? It basically means quality customers. No more tire kickers. No more people wasting your time saying, hey, Nate, I want to make money online and I want to do this. Or, hey, I don't have the money. Or, hey, my spouse said this is a scam. Well, whatever the excuse is, you get higher quality customers when you are promoting high tickets. So you weed out all of the tire kickers who can't even afford a $7 ebook or a $49 course, okay? That's why I like high ticket, because it allows me to focus on the higher quality customers, and then those people who have skin in the game, those are the people that are worth your time that you invest to help them get the result that they want. So number two is that it raises the asset value. And I'll get into this in a minute. And what asset value is, so let's just say you take them through a funnel and you take them through a process, and you'll see how I break this down. Because so sometimes when you're selling a high ticket item, it requires something of a low barrier, like a low ticket, so that you can upsell them on a high ticket. So stay tuned to that, because I'll go ahead and I'll show you how that works. And then the third item is that it increases lifetime customer value. So a lot of this stuff all fit together into this model. So let me show you how that works. So for example, this is how the high ticket model works. In a nutshell, very, very simple. This is not as hard as you think it is. So say, for example, you have traffic right here. Traffic. And again, if you need to see my other videos, I'll go ahead and leave them in the description below. But traffic is nothing more than getting eyeballs on your offers or services or products. So traffic can be a form of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, okay? So let's just say traffic, and this applies to both the organic and also the paid. And then you lead them to a low barrier lead magnet. The lead magnet could be a free PDF, it could be a free video on a how to, and also it could be a $7 PDF also if you have something of that nature, or a $40 course. So it takes them to a low barrier offer. And I would say a low barrier offer would be anywhere between free, upwards of, say, for the sake of this video, $100. So when you take them through your low barrier offer, now they become a customer. So now this is where it gets really fun. So now you've already delivered your product or a lead magnet. Now the next step is you start to provide value since they are now on your email list. So you want to start providing value. And just keep in mind here, this part is important because this is part of the nurturing process where you're providing value. Then when you ask them a question such as, what are you looking to get out of this experience? Now you start to understand and navigate the problems that they're currently having. So now this is where you get to upsell them on a high ticket item. So here are some high ticket items that you can offer. Inner Circle, Mastermind. You could also offer one-on-one coaching. You could offer weekend masterminds. Those are when you have an event at a mansion in Las Vegas or maybe a seminar. And you can also offer, last but not least, a high ticket product. And that can range anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000. We go back here, and let's just say your low barrier offer, you offer something of a membership site. Membership sites where you can get access to modules and training modules, stuff of that nature. You can actually sprinkle in your high ticket offer through your membership site. That is a great way because most membership sites now range anywhere between, I've seen on the market between $100 to $400 for a membership site. And trust me, the customer, when they go through your membership site, they'll get a lot of value just from going through your content. But once they go through your content, they start to apply, they start to take massive action. Then they won't get the results they want. Now they want to take they want to take their business to the next level. So that way, then you can start to upsell them on the higher ticket products. So that's why this nurturing process is so important, because in the beginning, when you're driving traffic, paid traffic, organic traffic, content marketing, then you take them to an offer, which is a lead magnet or a product of a low barrier. Then you take them to a process of them getting to know you through your emails and your content, and by nurturing the relationship, which is the like, know, and trust factor. Then you start the upsell process. So if you're ready to take this to another level, let me show you something really, really cool, because you can actually leverage yourself by showing other people how to sell high ticket. So I just explained how you can take someone that is from cold traffic to warm, then to a super hot customer. This way, when you're teaching them how to go through this process, then they can teach other people to do the same thing too. So you're leveraging yourself. So imagine, and we can call this a $99 monthly membership. So we have a 1 tier monthly membership. Then you can take them through a process where they get on a free 30-minute one-on-one coaching call with you. So they get on a call with you, and this way you have a bunch of questions for them to answer. And this is great too, because you get on the phone, they know that you're human, that this is a real legitimate affiliate marketing business, and that way you can have them go through all of the training modules. We'll call this the membership site. Then from there, you can upsell them on the high ticket product. And this is where the money is. So you should be focusing on high ticket items. So let's say, for example, you sell 5,000 high ticket offers, you make $25,000 a month just from selling 5. That's it. See, imagine focusing your efforts on doing high ticket instead of the low ticket. And again, don't get me wrong, the same amount of effort that you put into a high ticket offer, you put in the same amount of effort as you do into the low ticket. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got value. Please support my channel by subscribing, by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and also hitting the bell notification so that every time I drop a new video, you'll get notified immediately. And it also helps me, because every time you smash the like button and also leave me a comment, it also lets YouTube know to help people just like you who are looking to make money online. This is Nate Leung signing out, and I'll see you on the next video.